welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
My name is Deepika and I'm a Viscom student studying at Madras Christian College, Chennai. So in this video, I will be answering all your doubts regarding MCC. And I asked you guys to drop me questions about MCC on my Instagram story. So I got so many questions. And yeah, so without wasting time, let's just start the video. So now you can see the screen recording of my phone. So this is my Instagram story. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then please do follow me there. So as you can see, I got so many questions related to MCC. So our first question is dress code of MCC. So many of you have asked me the dress code of MCC. So MCC don't have any like a dress code type. I have seen that in other colleges of Chennai. Like the college is strict with their dress code, like only formals are allowed for boys and only kurtis allowed for girls. But in MCC, it's not that. Simple jeans top is allowed in the college for girls, so there is no compulsion for anyone to wear kurti. So yeah, there is no like particular dress code for girls, and same for boys. There's no like only formals are allowed. You can go with jeans and t-shirt or shirt, and yeah, shorts are not allowed for boys, and for girls shorts and sleeveless is not allowed. So this is the dress code of MCC. So next is, how was the hostel environment there for out-of-state students? So many people are confused, like if I live in hostel or if I live with my parents. So I live with my parents like in Chennai, in Tamram, where our college is. So from my home, the college is around 15 minutes. So yeah, it's very near to my house. But I'm not from Chennai, I am from UP, Aligarh. So many people ask me like why I'm living. So I live here because of my dad's work. So yeah. So I don't know like how is the hall experience, because I live like near to college. But I have some friends who live there in the hostel and they enjoyed it. So their experience was great. They like the college and hall environment. Halls are safe and food is also good. Next is the common question which many of you guys have asked me, and some of my friends have also asked me that. Like, when will college reopen? So I'm not sure about the offline classes yet. I guess maybe from next month. Like some people are saying from next month, but not sure about the COVID situation. Like if COVID cases increases, then yeah, no offline classes then. Next is, many of you guys asked me your personal question, like can I get selected, this is my percentage, can I get seat in the college? Please don't ask me those questions because I'm not sure about it. I don't know about the college selection process, so I'm not sure. So next question is, what is the minimum number of cutoff lists MCC releases? So minimum is 3 lists, but I'm not sure about this time because many people are applying to college and the cutoff have gone high this time because many students got 95 above. Until all seats are filled, so they will release the selection list. So I'm not sure about like how many selection lists they will release this year. So next is, want to apply admission for MCC, but I have tried in many devices, couldn't complete it. Any suggestion? So yeah, the MCC website got like server problem. So that's why you were not able to apply on those days, like few days back. But I guess now it will be fine. I want to know about microbiology department. Microbiology department, what do you want to know about it? Like the department is good. All the departments in MCC are good. And the faculty members are also good. And I should tell you guys this thing, that you can also check about your department on the official website, and you can check about the faculty, your department and the syllabus. Like whole complete syllabus is also available on the college official website, so make sure to check it out. So someone has asked me that how is the refund policy? Actually many people have asked me the same question, like the refund policy if they want to change the college. So actually I'm not sure about the refund policy because the college haven't mentioned anything about refund policy on their official website. So that's why I'm not aware of that, and I think the process is offline. So if you want to cancel your admission and if you want refund, so you must have to visit the college. So yeah, Hariharan has asked me Rate your MCC life out of 100. Everything is online. So we went to college only for 1 month. Some people have visited only for like 10 days or 5 days. The maximum was 1 month. So practical exams and practical classes were conducted offline for us. So that's why we went to college for 1 month, and that time the COVID situation was kind of going good, but so COVID cases went high after March. Rate MCC life out of 100. So if like everything is offline, so I would rate like 100, but now everything is online, like we are sitting at our home and attending the classes, like even the practical classes. It's kind of not good, so maybe 50 now, like for online class 50 and offline class 100. Okay, next one is I put yes for accommodation at college. How will I know I got a seat at the hostel? And some other person also asked me about the hall, like how to get into hall. So the hall process is really simple. While applying to the course, you put yes. So the process is not now. If cases are going down and if everything is going back to normal, like offline classes are going to start. So before that, they will release a form. So people who are interested to get into hall, so they will fill out that form and they will like submit it. And after that you just get selected and they will like release the list, like people who got selected for halls. So that's very simple. So the process is not now. The process will be before the offline classes. And there is no need to worry because there are so many PGs which are near to college, so you can go for PG as well. Hostel life and campus life. Hostel life and campus life are really good, but we are missing out so much. Like the college environment is so peaceful, and yeah, but we are really missing out everything. I cannot comment on this question. So someone has asked me, so is my admission completely confirmed after I do the enrollment process? It will be done after your certificate verification, but you got the seat after the enrollment. So for us, like the last year, it was like we did our enrollment and like our classes started after doing the enrollment, and after so many months we went for certificate verification, and 90% your admission is confirmed after enrollment. Next is there any ragging at hostel or in the college? So there is no ragging in hostel or in college. Many people have asked me the same question, like ragging, tell about the ragging. So I'm saying by my experience that there is no ragging in MCC. I haven't seen anyone, and there is an anti-ragging team in our college. So yeah, college is really safe. How many lists will be released? I already discussed that. After enrollment mean being an MCC student? Yes, you can call yourself MCCN after doing the enrollment. Yeah. About accommodation outside MCC, are there places to stay near the college? Are they good? Yes, I already discussed this. Like about the halls. Halls are pretty good, and PGs are also near to the college, and they're pretty good. They're pretty decent, pretty good. Yeah. College vibe is very peaceful. College is filled with trees, as you have seen in my previous videos, my previous vlogs of college. So someone has asked me total merit list and till what date will they keep releasing lists. So I already discussed about the list and date will they keep releasing lists. So I'm not sure about that as well, because they will release until all the seats are filled. So yeah. But last date to fill the application form is 31st August. Next question is, I get admission in MCC, did there is online classes or regular classes? For now, there will be online classes as I discussed before. So there will be online classes now. Beautiful? Yeah, MCC is beautiful. Please mention about languages. Kinda like unclear with the question, like languages, are you talking about the teaching medium or the language subject? So I will answer both. So teaching medium is English, and if you're asking about language subject, so there will be language subject and you have to choose between these four, like Hindi, Tamil, German and French. So you have to choose between these four. So you can choose according to your interest. Fees, please don't ask me about fees. I already discussed the rough, like the approximate fee structure of MCC in the MCC versus Loyola video. So you can check out that video for fees. Yeah. So someone has asked me to Didi say about MCC college NCC. So they asked me about NCC. So yeah, NCC is available in our college. My close friend is in NCC. So yeah, NCC is there. Strict college or lenient college. Like college is strict for your attendance and the college is kind of lenient with your dress code. So you cannot miss your attendance and yeah, there will be attendance for every class, obviously. I did get my name in MCC list. Congratulations, M.N. Sweeney. People have asked me lots of questions about fee structure, so I already told you to check out the MCC versus Loyola College video. I got 100% in my 12th, but still I'm not in the selection list. I cannot say anything about that. I don't know the selection process, as I already told you guys. Wishing you good luck. Is BSc Viscom a difficult stream? No, I'm studying Viscom, so it is not that difficult. But you must have to put your effort. You must have to do other things. Like you cannot depend on the college itself. They will guide you, they will teach you, but you have to practice a lot because practice makes perfect. Yeah, Viscom is not that difficult. So I guess I have covered all the questions and most of the questions were repeated. So yeah, so this was it for today's video. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And thank you so much guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.